Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Celeste, aka Mon the Hoopster. Alright, and today is the 3rd. I'm at a little kickback with my peoples, you feel me? My girl here, all my friends, my brother. We just chilling, man. They got the bikes, they got the cars, there's food, all kinds of stuff. It's tough, you feel me? It's lit. I'm telling y'all, they getting live out here, you feel me? So I'm gonna just be vlogging just a little bit. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. They say I'm a sex symbol, they say I'm a ladies man, dressed up in the latest fashion show like I so much green and they keep fighting me everywhere you ain't, I go everywhere you can't. Stop it, the fuck you mean I grave it, Lord, the Lord ain't give me a baby, or the baby save me, all these slam rock you sleep, and I put a snake in your brain, I come get you before you clap me, shots to put shit in the newspaper, yeah. Alright, y'all, so we about to get Cedra on one of these dirt bikes real quick. She's too scared to ask. Let me see. She's too scared to ask, so we about to ask for her. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that.
Hold on, girl.
I'm fucking dead. Yes, sir. Yes. What's up, my boy?
I'm not doing anything. I got in the taxi.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, look at that sexy motherfucker. He knew who I was talking to. Yes, sir. Yes, motherfucker. Ooh, shit. Oh, don't give me a nod, nigga. Give me a smile. People yes, still call us twins, bro.
I know.
Ain't that shit crazy? Paris. Paris. People used to call me and Khalil twins in high school. Eventually, we got it so much, we would just start saying yeah. People be like, y'all brothers? We'd be like, yeah.
I can see.
Ooh.
I can listen, I can see.
Ooh. Yes, sir. This camera look right, boy. What the fuck? Khalil, get in this bitch. Hey, yes.
Videotaping.
I'm actually recording. Celeste. Celeste. Get your ass in this bitch. Yes, sir. You gotta record something. We want the YouTube popping, we gotta record something. It's your boy, I am too awesome for you. Also, Sid Mob. Follow your boy on YouTube, bro. Follow me on YouTube. I swear, Grave Gang is about to blow. Grave Gang is about to blow. We about to blow. We taking over. AMP, watch it. RDC World, y'all watch it. We coming for everybody, motherfucker. Fuck out of here.
We are, I swear we are.
We about to blow, right, baby?
Yeah.
That sounded unsure. We're about to blow up. Oh, look at these motherfuckers.
I had to go fix it.
Everybody driving by with their nice cars and shit. I want to see some more motorcycle shit too.
And this thing is
let me introduce y'all. So, that's my baby right there. That's her friend, Paris. Oh, they asked me on friends. I get great member. I am Deuce Bigelow.
You already know.
You already know.
Yes, sir.
You already know. Let me introduce myself. Somebody definitely crashed. Fully. Look. What? Babe, somebody crashed. Into a car?
My car down there. Cool it.
Damn. How zoom in, Celeste? There you go. You got it. You got it. How zoom in?
Did they fall on the ground? Are they on the ground?
It's on the ground. Oh, wrong one. Everybody circle that.
You want to take a trip? I want to see the bikes.
See it down
But
there?
I would be here.
Is he hungry?
Is he hungry?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they got free food down there.
Let's go.
I'm gonna get another soda anyway. It's your boy. You know, I'm really just trying to show off the fit real quick.
You want me to get you one time?
Yeah, get the fit one time.
I'll get you one time.
Get the fit one time, you know?
Let them know where you got
The
it.
free 99s, these straight from Flight Club, stupid. Alright, now the rest is a little boohoo man action. You know?
Yes, sir.
You know, I got the Cuban, you know?
Yes, sir. Hey, peep the ice, y'all see? Look. Yes, sir. Hey, all my boys drippy, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All my boys drippy. Go ahead, Uzi, talk to him.
Hey,
Talk your shit.
Y'all know about the Balenciaga.
Yes, sir. Look at him.
hey,
Yes, sir.
Burberry out. What's up?
Yeah.
he said flat.
But he gonna have to slow down.
I'm gonna record while we walking. You get you some film. Let that lighter hit you right. I feel like I'm back in 2005. You pop
I know.
drop it for me.
Y'all can peep my fit too, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
Look at the Yeezy.
It's slight. It's something slight. Ain't nothing too much, you feel me?
Yo, I'm saying there's really mad people out here right now. There's really mad heads out here. You did what? You burned yourself? I bet it was. There's really mad heads out here, and I didn't think there'd be this much people here, but there really is. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I'm getting used to turning this thing around. I forgot you can't turn it around fully with the mic. I'll turn up the brightness, but I look dark as shit. Plus, this shit, it's not getting my actual skin. They got me looking dark. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god.
Nobody took off that fan. They probably would.
Eric got drunk. Got everybody up. I can't trust nobody.
What's that joint get stuck? What's that joint get stuck?
Clip. Yo, you seeing any ass out here? All this question.
It's a little so-so.
Little
Just
so-so?
chilling, you know what I'm saying? It's wild.
Okay.
You gotta be in the front if you're gonna vlog.
No, I'm getting the gang.
Jordan got
Get in the game.
Naruto.
Get in the game.
Nah, let me get. Hold on. Watch out, Uzi. Oh, we can go.
You said what? I know there's only
It's gonna be another class, just like this.
What you mean? You know they crash on some stupid shit too. It was bound to happen. It almost happened earlier.
She ain't gave me none of pussy in a while. But wait, now my way. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds with sex? If her friends ain't around, I'm recording. She been on the shit.
That's a mirror. Yes, sir. It's lit out here. Motherfucker. What the fuck? I'm looking dark. They won't even get me.
Got that ass in that mouth from my mother. Type to make you bay mad, you in trouble. NBA playoffs, that ass, it's a bubble. Come on. Throw that ass back, come on. Her friends and her mom hate me. Go! Lay down on the.
It was you. You the one who crashed. It was you. Patrolling dirt bikes is not the good man. Oh man. Damn, that's a
shit look like it hurt.
They got Powerades and sodas. Go ahead.
I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, I'm ordering CCs. Cover your face, no face, no case. Now I'm sitting in a blacked out race. I remember whole shit, cut to the head, but he done all still the same.
I should.
Yeah. Should be fired. You get a lot of
Hey,
did the fucking the 3 questions
out, bro.
My boy.
Nobody.
Hey, talk your shit. Say what's up, bro.
No.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hey, shout yourself out.
Sugar Free Kyle on TikTok, man. Go give me a follow.
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all heard my man.
That's right, brother. Take it easy.
Yes, sir. You too, yo.
Man, like straight like cops on me.
I swear,
He's
dude.
like straight like that.
What's up?
Put that nigga some face.
Look up.
You got my bitch.
Oh, he on demon time. He got black. Welcome back.
How you feeling out here, yeah?
I'm very entertained right now. There's a
I
lot
know
of
you don't
bikes
have
and
these
cars
people out here.
I do. I'm just keeping my mouth quiet. Just turning my head. I don't talk to anybody that I know, except for the females. They're my A1, day one. Not
She
really,
said A1.
but they're cool, I guess. I don't really talk to them no more. We know each other from high school, middle school, elementary school, whatever.
She said.
I even know some from summer
She
camp when
said
I was
A1
12
day
years old.
was.
Boys and Girls Club days, if you know me.
Yeah.
We know, went to there, you know.
A lot of them tried to
We
hit.
grew up.
What was your response to that?
No. I
No.
got a boyfriend.
Oh, she said she got herself a man. Right here, Prince Charming.
I'm just.
Brightness. Nobody was talking to you, nigga. What, nigga?
Guys, don't be so hostile.
We out here popping right now, but it's starting to get a little dark, get a little cold. The car? I mean, I already got the car.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
But I'll get this one. I'll get this one. Look at that. That shit is beautiful.
This is the first time I'm seeing people designing rock.
Sheesh. Look at that shit. I ain't even into cars like that.
Look at this one.
That's a good night. Yeah, I'm not even into it. Hey, look at that one.
The day before release, nigga. The day before. I'm gonna be wearing this.
You know what's crazy? I'm not even gonna get lucky on it. I'm not gonna hit.
Nigga, it's Nike.
I'm not gonna hit.
Sneakers.
Yeah. If I wasn't a taken man, I was not a taken man. I'd be like, Miss, excuse me. Excuse me. Not kidding.
Missed on those.
I missed on those too.
I want those.
She went with her uncle or her cousin, and that car that's parked halfway. Yeah, Cedra went. Just to share real quick, got some of the heat, the $3.99, you know, something slight. Harris got on some dunks real quick. Show off the heat real quick. Yes, ma'am. Them shit just
And they still clean.
and she got the anklets on too. Make the shoes look a little cleaner in that bitch. And do. Come show off your heat on your feet, nigga. Yes, sir. What them is? I'm not a shoe fanatic, so I don't
It's a university blues.
Okay. Hey! Excuse me! Excuse me! See that little white t-shirt over there? That boy Look at him, look at him. Look at him. Hey! You coming out of woods a little sketchy, nigga. What the fuck?
I'm fucking about you.
Jody! You been having fun? Yeah. Like a lot of fun?
Like a lot.
Like some fun.
Unexpectedly saw my cousin, but a lot.
Okay.
Baby, can you lift up your head, please?
All right, y'all. We had to jump in the car because it is pouring down rain, pouring, and this camera not waterproof. You feel me? So yeah, everybody peacing out right now. So yeah, if y'all can see all this goodness right here. Them raindrops is coming down like softballs. So, but I'll update y'all on what we do. But I'm gonna also put some snaps in here from today. So yeah, it was a fun little event for sure. Probably not everyone's usual event, considering everybody out here smoking weed and toting guns, but it was still fun. It's a good time, you feel me? If that's what you're used to being around, it's a good time. You know, ain't nobody out here looking for beef. Everybody just enjoying themselves, you know? So yeah.
Kids and everything.
Kids and all, I'm telling y'all, kids and all. So yeah, it was a good time, you feel me? So I'll keep y'all updated on what I do. So yeah. Yo, I ain't even gonna cap to y'all. After it started raining, we went to the mall. That was it. We didn't do nothing. We went to the mall. We went to some arcade. We bowled for a little bit. That was it. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Today was a good day. I had fun. My friends had fun. My brother had fun. You feel me? So yeah, today was a good day overall. You feel me? I wish I would have brought my bike out. I'm so pissed off I didn't. My boy Uzi brought his bike. I wish I would have brought my bike. Just seeing all the dirt bikes and four-wheelers, you feel me? I wish I would have brought my bike. And something told me, bring your bike. But I didn't. So yeah. But y'all are definitely going to get more ride-along videos. I did get a GoPro. That bad boy's going right on top of my helmet, you feel me? So y'all are gonna get some ride along videos, so just stay tuned for that, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, drop a sub, you feel me? And follow me on all my social media. Alright, do not forget, whatever y'all wanna see me do, I'll do it. Just let me know, drop a comment, you feel me? Share the freaking video. Alright, it's your boy Mama Hoopster. Less way or no way, baby. We out of here, y'all. Peace.